Abduction, adduction. Abduction, adduction. Okay, nagigets ba?
Yes,
Pag sinabi natin flexion, ibig sabihin that is bending. Okay, nag-bend ito. O yan, bend to, flexion. Pag ginanong daliri mo, flexion din yan. Pag binend mo yung hindi mo na ganyan, that is also flexion. Pag binend ko yung leeg kong pa ganyan, that is also a flexion. Okay, so pag sinabi na natin extension, kung ito ay naka-bend, pag in-extend mo ng ganyan, that is extension. Kung naka-bend ito, pag in-straight mo na ganyan, ang ito, that is extension. Pag sinabi mong inversion, ibig sabihin inward. Okay? Inversion, ibig sabihin inward. Pag eversion, ibig sabihin paliko siya, forward. Inversion, eversion. Okay. Pag dorsiflexion naman,
Bending.
that is bending the foot. Ganito siya. Bending the foot. Ganyan, di makita. Nakaganan yung foot mo. Pag ginanon mo siya, in-extend mo ng ganyan, that is plantar. Okay po. Plantar flexion. Nag-gets? Sasayin natin ulit yan. Okay.
Akala yung dorsey, ma'am?
Dorsey.
Saan nakagana?
Pag in-extend mo ng ganyan po,
Plantar.
that is plantar. Okay. Pag sinabi mo naman,
Pronation.
pronation, ibig sabihin, yung palm mo naka-face pababa. That is pronation. Pag supination, yung palm mo naka-face sa taas. Okay? Rotation. Rotation. Ibig sabihin, rotation, niro-rotate mo yung axis ng iyong joint. Okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na external rotation and internal rotation. Internal kasi pasok. Pag external, labas. Okay? I-add na rin din yan circumduction. Kasi walang circumduction. Ang circumduction involves your buong limb mo. Ibig sabihin, iikot mo siya ng gano'n. Parang rotation siya, kaso lang, ito ay parang you are performing a cone circulation. So that is a circumduction. Pag yung leg ko, ginanon ko, circumduction yan. Pero kung ito lang, yung axis lang na itong igagalaw ko, that is rotation. Nabigyan po? Okay. So your range of motion, okay, so we can perform yung ganito. So we have, start muna tayo from the head hanggang pababa. Okay, so yung i-perform ninyo is from head to pababa.
Ano na yun, ma'am?
Top to toe. Okay, so first is sa head tayo. Okay, so flexion, extension, hyperextension. Ulit. Flexion, extension, hyperextension. Pag sa side naman, lateral flexion, extension, lateral flexion, extension. Okay, nag-gets?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Pwede mag-video.
Pwede nyo ibigyan.
Pwede mabidyohan.
Para ma-agree.
Hindi kasi nag-exercise. Yan. Oh, hindi nag-exercise kasi. Okay, again, start tayo sa head. Okay, flexion, extension, hyperextension, lateral flexion, extension, lateral flexion, extension. Sa shoulder tayo. Internal rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation. Okay, pag sa kamay, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, circumduction. Abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Kabila rin. Abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Evidence. Okay.
Abduction.
Supination, supination, pronation, supination, pronation, supination, pronation. Inversion, 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 inversion. O, pag sa paa naman tayo. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Circumduction. Dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. Tapos na tayo dito, no? Di ba? Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Okay na? Nag-abduction, adduction na ako, no? So, yun. So, that's it. That is your range of motion exercise.